Acentuação gráfica. Tio. So this symbol has a nasalized and strong sound. Some examples are não, mãe. I will repeat it so you can hear better. Não, mãe. Unlike Spanish, Portuguese doesn't has the tio over the letter N. Tio only occurs on top of A and O. Some more examples are pão, leões, avião. Acento agudo. Acento agudo is used to show which letter in the word will receive a more open and high-pitched tone. For example, plástico, fácil. Acento circunflexo. It is also known as chapéu or chapeuzinho, which means head and little head. It's used to show which letter in the word will receive a closed and lower pitch. This symbol only appears on top of vowels. Here some examples. Você, ônibus. Acento grave. It's better known as crase. The symbol only appears on top of vowels, more specifically A. It doesn't has any distinct sound or pronunciation or tone, so it's silent, and it's used to demonstrate the contraction of the letter A with another feminine word, usually. It's kind of complicated, and it will be explained in further videos. It's something that causes confusion even in native speakers, but here's an example. Elas foram à festa. They went to the party. C cedilha. So the cedilha, which is this little wiggly thing under the C, can only happens with the C letter. Doesn't happens with any other letter, and it forms the sounds of sa, só, su, são, sois. If it's followed by E or I, you cannot use C cedilha, so this is incorrect. If this happens, you use the normal C instead. Here are some more examples. Açúcar, maçã, moço, almoço, trema. So, up until recently, this umlaut, the trema, would be used in Brazilian Portuguese, but it is not used anymore, so it is wrong to use it. So just put this here so you don't get weirded out if you ever see some Portuguese text using trema, the umlaut. This probably means that the book or piece of media that you are reading was written before 2009. So in conclusion, those are all the current graphemes and special characters that you will see in the Portuguese language currently. Thanks for watching.